my film is already, one of my film is already on MX Player, which is called Majma. My next film is coming very soon, which is called It's Abuse Only. And I love traveling. I'm learning. Very good. I am learning a lot of, not a lot of, but musical instruments during lockdown. That's the recent one. What else should I tell you? It's इतने साल की ज़िंदगी को 2 मिनट में कैसे समेटे वो वाला है हिसाब. So there are two short films that are coming, which one is It's Abuse Only, and the second one is Kalabai from Baikala, with directed by Shaumitra. And there's one more film coming called Miqdar by Atif Khan. So yes, there are lineups for this summer, and then I am starting to shoot another film in, let's say, somewhere around monsoons. It requires a little greenery around. So that's what is the recent setup, you can say. Yes.
Okay, Kalabai from Baikala.
Yeah.
The title sounds very interesting.
Yes.
If you can throw some more light on it.
I don't know whether I'm allowed or not. Sharib Hashmi is playing an artist in that. So you can say, as you see, Kala Bai. So there's Kala, and then there's Bai, and then she's from Baikala. I think I can just say this much.
The Bai is played by you.
No, the Bai is not played by me, but I am, yes, playing. Yeah, you can say the Bai is. I am a Bai in that. No, we have actually shot it just before the lockdown, and I think the post-production was happening during the lockdown, and it's just there to come out. Sharib is a very dear friend of mine. Before working with him, I already knew him, so it was easy. You know, when you have friends on set, then it becomes a fun shoot. The most challenging is It's Abuse Only, because it contains a lot of factors from one's own life and truth which people don't want to talk about. That's why it's more challenging, because we are talking about it. And when you know that something a part of society or society as whole don't want to mention it, then it becomes difficult to portray it, because you have that doubt, okay, whether I myself will be able to accept it or not. So there was a dilemma, but when you sit with director, when you read the script, when you go through the rehearsals, then you are more sure about it. It's about, no, I would not say it's about female, because there are two characters and they are from different gender, but they have the similar kind of pain in their life, which they realize when they accidentally meet. Now we have to see is whether they identify their pain or they just continue living with it and justifying it. That's the whole, I don't know whether I'm complicating it or not, but I simply can't tell the story. So yes, that's all about it.
It is one of the most crucial or one of the most difficult role to portray.
Yes. Something which you don't want to address it, but you have to act it. Yes, it's just difficult. That's right.
What message do you want to give to the audience, especially for abuse?
Okay, I will say, please don't judge the characters, or maybe try to understand and have some empathy towards them, because that one thing that they are portraying or they are trying to say is really that one should talk about it.